The part virtual and part in-person OPEC Plus meeting has just ended. Now, the main takeaway is that the group production cuts are going to continue until the end of 2025. That caps daily production at 39 million barrels per day. But we also got color on those voluntary cuts. Now, these were cuts introduced in November 2023, taking 2.2 million barrels per day off the market, and were introduced by 8 countries, including Russia and the UAE, all of whom were represented in Riyadh. Now, we found out that those voluntary cuts are going to be extended by another 3 months until at the end of September of 2024, after which they will be gradually phased down over the course of the next 12 months, ending in September 2025. Subject to market conditions. Now, one of the surprise announcements was the fact that the UAE have now been given an extra production boost of up to 300,000 barrels per day in 2025. And of course, the UAE had been pushing for extra production capacity over the last couple of months. Now, clearly, this shows that OPEC are still trying to provide some support to the market, but at the same time, looking to appease some of the countries who had been pushing for higher production, not just the UAE here, but many of the other countries in the alliance as well. And as far as the market takeaway from all of this, well, on one hand, people are welcoming the visibility and the outline of what the production barrels are going to look like over the foreseeable future. But on the other hand, there are questions about how much supply is coming back to the market and whether the demand over the next 12 months can actually match up versus that supply growth. For Bloomberg in Riyadh, I'm Joumanna Bercetche.